In this video, I literally show you what I ate today. As a vegan, probably the biggest question that I ask all the time is, hey, Millie, what are you actually eating? Well, in this video, I'm actually showing you my choices between prebiotics and probiotic foods specifically for my gut health. So let's go ahead and let's see, well, what do I have to eat today? For breakfast, I wanted something light today because I didn't go too hard in my morning workout. My breakfast changes up depending on if I worked out that AM or not. Now today I did, but I didn't really kill it in the active calories department. Days like this, I start off my mornings with a yogurt bowl. I absolutely love Siggy's Probiotics yogurt. I layer in quite a bit into this bowl. I put in crushed cashews, grounded chia, and flax seeds to actually top off on my fiber. It also thickens the yogurt a bit. I typically also have pre-portioned berries. Today I popped in some blueberries and strawberries as well as chopped bananas and apples. I try really hard to eat my breakfast and all my meals at a table, as it really forces me to slow down and also catch up on some pages on the book that I'm currently reading on my Kindle. Now, fast forward a little bit into lunch. For lunch, I like making quick variations on the stir fry. Today, I made tofu and peanut sauce with roasted Brussels sprouts and a coleslaw. Now, for the Brussels sprouts, I halved them and sprayed it with a little bit of avocado oil. I use this hand pump oil spray bottle by Misto, which is probably a game changer for me as it has no aerosols and you fill it with whatever oil that you actually want. I also make my own staple seasonings. There's actually over 48 herbs and spices in this. If you want a video on this, just simply let me know. After we do all of that, we just shake it up and we pop it into the oven. Next up, I make my coleslaw. Now I keep it quick by using a pre-mixed bag. Sometimes you kind of get stuck with these huge pieces of cabbage. Just go ahead and chop those up and pop it back into the bowl. Throw in some raisins, veganese, apple cider vinegar, pesto, and a little bit of agave. Cannot forget the special seasoning. I swear, I put this thing on everything. Mix, drizzle, and shake. Now, while that is getting cold in the fridge, we prep the stir fry with lots of mushrooms, onion, garlic. I keep it moving with my garlic by just buying it pre-minced. Also added in some sweet pepper for color as well as sweetness. And I popped all of that into a pan with a little bit, again, of avocado oil. Now I like having pre-portioned braised or air-fried tofu that's really just ready for me to just throw into anything. So today I'm using one of those portioned sizes already. I let that saute for a bit with, yes, my special seasoning again. I use this thing in everything. Then I add some carrots and broccoli towards the end to make sure that I don't overcook them. That's really crucial. Many times we overcook our veggies. Now, sometimes I make my peanut sauce from scratch, but I keep some marinade on deck for days like this when I am in a rush. Now, Whole Foods 365 brand has a lot of marinades that I actually like. Generally speaking, I keep a bottle of this particular one in my fridge pretty often. After mixing all of that in, voila, it's done. Once again, I always aim to sit at a table for lunch because it really forces me to just enjoy my food. Now, also because this book is really good and it's taken me forever to actually finish it, I've been trying my best to read a few pages every single time I eat. Other than that, I'm typically eating alongside my son. Now, lunch was really filling today, so much so that I didn't even feel the need to have a snack, like at all. But I always have some tea at some point during my day. Today I actually snuck in a peppermint cup after my first PM session with a client, and that's just really because I knew that I would have a long night of sessions. So I also wanted to give myself a little bit of a treat when I had a window of opportunity to run into the kitchen. And that's exactly what it is that I did. So for my treat and my snack for the evening, I love crunch. And these rice cakes, particularly from Ludenberg, are my absolute favorite. I top it off with a little bit of almond butter and blueberries, and off I go into my next session. Okay, I'm back. I know I said earlier that I wasn't hungry, but it's 10:30 at night, and literally I don't care what time it is. When I'm hungry, I follow my body cues and I eat. So I decided to just go ahead and make myself a protein shake. Now I love this probiotic yogurt from Forager. I tend to take this in with some scoops of protein and ice, and all you gotta do is shake, 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 and that literally wraps up what I ate today, focusing on my gut health. So there you have it. That's literally what I ate today. In case you missed it, I do indeed have a nutrition class explaining the differences between prebiotics and probiotic foods and how you can make quick decisions just like I did today for your gut health. Check out that video right here.